Packing lunch for school or work. That can be a big problem. I know because I've packed my daughter's lunch for many years. And I've used traditional Tupperware. Thank you. And I've used all sorts of boxes, and they all have a problem. They all leak. This week, I've got one good lunchbox. This is a Monbento lunchbox. I first saw these in France a number of years ago. Now you can get these in the US. They come in 2 pieces. The tops are airtight. They really seal for liquid. You've got a little side dish for cornichon. Put that there. I actually don't use this. And then seal it up, nice top. And then the band is really nice and tight. This is not going to open up in your backpack. Check out the Monbento lunch boxes and tell me your one good thing in the comments below. Thank you.
Okay, great. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.